today we have a telescope Celestron AstroMaster 130, and we are going to remove secondary mirror from this telescope and then clear it and then put it back, and I will show you how to do this. The first, before we remove the secondary mirror from the telescope, we have to move the telescope in horizontal position to protect primary mirror from falling instrument inside the telescope, because in case we can lose the Allen wrench, for example, and then it falls down to the primary mirror. So we have to move this telescope to horizontal position first. Then we open the cover. This screw in the middle. Those three screws need to adjust the mirror. So to remove the secondary mirror, we need to unscrew this center screw. To do this, we're using the Phillips screwdriver. And then carefully we're removing our secondary mirror. And I have some improvement of this construction. So instead of just holding just by the center screw, I put a spring. It helps me to more rigid connection between the secondary mirror holder and this the holder assembly itself. So I'll show you how does it work. So this is spring. So now we have all the secondary mirror in hand, and we're going to wash it, clear it, and put it back, and then we need to collimate our telescope. So we have to distribute the soap with the Q-tips on a mirror surface, and then we wash with the water like this. Out all soap, everything. Then we're using distilled water to wash out all regular water, just a little bit. So wash it out, everything, not having wash. Remove and dry now. As I mentioned earlier, so I'm using the spring to hold this mirror together with this central screw, and instead of just having just one single screw, this spring helps to hold this hold this mirror more firmly instead of having it like flimsy. It's just more firm over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to install this spring in the middle, in the center, on the central screw over here. Like so. Adjust the secondary mirror, so we're using the optical, by using the optical collimator. The optical collimator means we need to look in this collimator and see so the mirror is in the middle and properly